You're watching IDK Game Fix Solutions. If you've been playing NBA 2K17 and getting this error code, which says something like there's a problem with your connection to our online services, which means that you can't connect to the online server to play on the network, please visit this and that error code efeab30c. So if you've been getting this error, don't get discouraged, because I've done my research and I found 3 possible solutions to this, and I'll list them in order of importance so you don't have to screw up your player data. The first solution is to finish making the player, then go to options and features, and go to credits. Then let the credits roll for about 2 minutes, although someone said it might take up to 1 hour, I don't know. Once it's done, it will say update required, please go to the home screen. After this loads up, you'll be all good. So this is the easiest solution of all 3, and you should try this out first. Let the credits roll, and once it goes to the end, it should take a bit of time. You will be good. Now the second solution, if that didn't work, is to go to one of your My Career players. And then it will say something like syncing problem, try again. But what you do is just go back to the main menu, and in the bottom left it will say update required. And then you go to the options and then go back, and it will auto update. And after this it should just fix the problem. And if that didn't work, there's a solution number 3, which is just hold down the power button for 8 seconds. It will do a reset of the system, and then you should be able to get this solved. But if none of this worked for you, I don't know. Like and subscribe my channel if you want to stay tuned to more game fixing updates, and I hope that this video solved somebody's problem out there. Thanks for watching, guys.